to say this morning that he is going to call your office to make sure that you are not going to demonstrate. And coincidentally, you are writing to us after he has called telling us that we are not going to demonstrate.
After this business with Ayienda, after this business,
Buenos yes.
they are to focus on
we respect you and we acknowledge our duty is one, to come to your office and notify you, not to seek for approval. What we need from you is security. But if you are constrained from protecting us, we ask you to go and protect the children. You are allowed to proceed to the county land registry. Finally, we also want to notify you that we have declined your request.
Now, to say that here a politician is calling us, that's not true. Number two, to say that we have responded after a politician called is also not true. I don't know whether you have a copy of it. You have a copy of it? Well, I don't know. And what's the date of the letter? Can you read the date of the letter?
when did you serve us the letter? When did you serve us the letter?
Wakili wa South West Kenya yalikuwa ya amani, na hatukuwa na nia ama hatukuwa na mamuluku wenye tulikuwa tumenunua watakuja kuleta fujo katika mji wa Kisii Town. OCS ametuzuia baada ya kublock gari yake mbele ya maandamano yetu, na ametupatia vitisho kwa niaba ya jina. Alitumia jina la rais wa Kenya. Ujumbe tuko nao saa hii ni kusema kwamba kikatiba hakuna penye kipengele kimewekwa kwamba tupeane ilani ama tuombe ruhusa kutoka kwa mtu yeyote kufanya maandamano. Maandamano yameruhusiwa kikatiba. Tumezuiliwa kufanya maandamano na vivuta machozi
because of the draconian rules that the Land Registrar Kisii County has imposed on the public, on the citizens of Kisii. Even a simple search, you cannot manage to procure a simple search because he requires so much that is not within the law. He will require you to procure an original title deed to the land registry. He'll even go further to, if you want to put a portion on a land, he'll require you to bring physically the person to whom we want to place a portion against. I don't know where he gets those rules from. We have severally tried to engage you. Officially, we have done letters through our chairperson, SK. He had declined the meeting. He himself scheduled a meeting, but he did not attend. He did not honor his own meeting that he scheduled, claiming that he was in another meeting and could not make it. So he has even gone further to insult the advocates of the Southwest branch that we are fraudsters, and therefore people, why we are here is because citizens trust us with their briefs. Those briefs are not ours. When they trust us with our expertise, they expect that we do due diligence and give them the services that they deserve. But the land registry, being the custodian of the land documents that we require, now the land registrar is treating the office as his own room, his own bedroom, and we cannot allow that. We will not be intimidated. Teargased have been thrown to us. We were doing peaceful demonstration. The OCS even requested us to hold or to stand for him to address us. We were calm. He did address us. He said that he was doing a request that we hold our demonstration till after 3 days. Then we told him, because that response just came now, that we have already planned our demonstration and we had a specific place that we are going to, that's the land registry. We cannot now engage that way because this is notified as the law requires. We were not seeking permission from him, but he ordered his police officers to tear gas us. They were even pointing guns at us. That's unacceptable. This will not stop us from going on. We'll proceed, we'll continue. We will fight for our rights. We'll clean this county to be a best place for everyone.
By the decision of the police officers to decide to riot, because on our side we were on a very peaceful possession to the county land registrar, who last week called us fraudsters. I think the land registrar needs to be reminded that the same things that he was doing in Nyandarua, that he was forced to leave, he cannot bring them here. And Kisii cannot be a dumping site for rogue officers. We are telling the land registrar that we are not going to retreat, no matter the amount of tear gas, no matter how many days the police are going to riot. We are going to give this push to the end until Ayienda goes. Thank you.